Hi folks, it's December the 12th, and I have been asked to give you some information about an easy way to access your higher self, which is the bigger part of you. Some people call it the soul, some people call it your gut, but it has access to everything. And there's an easy way that you can ask it yes or no questions. If you haven't spent a lot of time in contact and developing a relationship with the bigger part of you, which we call the higher self, and this is one easy way to start. It's a pendulum, and it doesn't have to be anything fancy like this. I have made these for people with just a piece of twine with a weight, washer on the bottom, and they work. So again, it's a string or a rope of some kind with a weight on the end. And the way to use it initially is to, first of all, just hold it in your hand. It doesn't have to be any fancy way of holding it. Dangle it above your palm. Doesn't matter which palm. I'm holding this now with my dominant hand, which is the left hand. Hold it above your palm. If you want it to stop it moving, you can rest it on your palm if you wish. Or you can just ask it to stop, please. The first thing you're going to want to do is find out what yes looks like and then what no looks like. So, you ask, please show me what yes looks like. Can you make it bigger? Make it bigger than that so people will see it, please. So right now, yes isn't going to be indicated because it's going around in a circle. This is how yes appears to me when I ask it a question and the answer is yes. The bigger the swing, the more emphatic the yes. Okay, thank you. You can stop now. Next, please show me what no looks like. And let's make it big enough for people to see. Good job. No has always been like this for me. Thank you. Okay. You can stop. It will answer any yes or no question. If you keep asking the same question, just to be sure, it'll probably start playing with you. Trust the information you're getting. If you've lost keys, glasses, you just have a question about your health, anything for you that can be answered with yes or no, pendulum will work. You can also use these for dowsing, finding energy lines, basically anything where yes or no will be the answer. And that's a cool way to initially start communication or relationship with your higher self. And then after a while you won't need it. But it's a cool way to start. Take care, folks.